Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're checking out an awesome home built by Perry Homes. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video to see if this is going to be your future home. So as we walk in, we're greeted with this beautiful master bedroom here. So this neighborhood, like I said, is located in the Colony area, which is a really nice area. Some older homes, but there is more and more new construction popping up. The cool thing is you're located in, I think, one of the best parts of North Dallas. So you are super close to the tollways. You're, I think, about 15 minutes from Grandscape, which is a really cool area with a bunch of shops, entertainment, just pretty much everything you would need to do is in that area, and more new stuff is coming. So you are located in one of the more fun and newer parts of the Colony, which is awesome. This model in particular is the 1889, and it is starting at $558,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's sitting at around 1,800 square feet. So once I went in here and spoke with some of the sales representatives, this first floor plan is actually gone, completely sold out, but I did want to show you guys kind of like the quality build. There's going to be a new phase starting, so of course they're going to have more 1-stories, but for now, in the time being, this one is gone. They do have more 2-story homes. There's actually one available completely ready to move in, which is actually located on this map, which has that lake view, which is beautiful. I did make another video, so this should be up depending on what time you watch this, perhaps next week, or just check out my channel and you should be able to find the other home with that gorgeous lake view. So this home is super cozy, nice and small. So if you are a smaller family or perhaps just 2, this would be a great home. Perhaps it's your first time purchasing a home. I think this would be a great investment, something smaller, easier to take care of, and in a beautiful neighborhood. You cannot go wrong with it. And Perry Homes is a great builder. They're very well known. A lot of their homes have really good finishes. The bedroom sizes in this one are decent. They're not humongous, but the closet space and stuff makes up for it. Usually when you have a bedroom this size, they're usually tiny. So a lot of the bedrooms have good size. I think the square footage is used pretty well. Now you also have a really cool little backyard there with the little putt-putt stuff. And being in the Colony, the school's ISD that you're gonna have is actually Little Elm ISD. So make sure you look that up and see what kind of ratings that has. If you're interested, please feel free to reach out, contact me. My info's on the screen, and I will see you at the closing table.